This video tutorial I will explain how to connect to Mongo database and retrieve the list of databases using Java program. Here you can see I have connected to Mongo database server and it has 4 databases: admin, config, local and order. We will see using Java program how to get this database details. Here I have defined the class get databases. Now I am going to run this program in debug mode. Here I am creating a Mongo client object using Mongo client constructor which accept host name and port number. Then I am calling list databases method of Mongo client object and result of the method will be included into the list. And here I got the list of databases. And here I am displaying the each DB information. Here you can see we got each database details: admin, config, local and order. You can get Java source code link for each video from the description section of the video. And here you can see the video, and to see the description click on this more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links, and click on these links to get the Java source code.